Hi guys, in this season we are going to make an amazing sweet treat named Rocky Road. This is so easy to make and it's absolutely delicious. For this, we will need around 200 grams of chocolate. Make sure they are broken up into small pieces. You can use any kind of chocolate you need. Go for some good quality ones, but you could use leftover chocolates too if you have them. Now, let's place the bowl of chocolate over a saucepan of simmering water and leave it to melt, stirring occasionally. Now, let's drop in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a cube of butter and 1/4 cup of fresh cream. Combine well. Our chocolate mixture is ready. In this case, we can turn down the heat and set it aside to cool for 10 minutes. Rocky Road will usually have peanuts, so I'm adding 1 cup of peanuts. Then goes in 2.5 cups of popcorn, 1/4 cup of mixed nuts and 1/4 cup of roasted cashews. Give it a good mix. If you wish to add any other nuts, you can add them now. Our chocolate has cooled completely. Now, let's drop in our dry ingredients. And slowly combine it. It has been mixed very well. To set the Rocky Road, you can use any tray or dish. Here I am using this dish. I have lined the dish with a parchment paper. Now, into this parchment paper, I am going to pour in our Rocky Road. Soothing it gently. And before it sets, I'm going to garnish it with some colorful sprinkles. And press it gently. Let's now leave this in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 hours. Further, cut it into pieces. It's incredibly sweet and delicious. I'm sure you will impress anyone you serve this with.